Hello family, welcome back to NaturalLee. Today we are doing a powerful hair growth spray for healthy hair and healthy scalp. Our first ingredient is cloves. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. They can be used for protecting the scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. I'm using these cloves because of the dandruffs I'm developing on my scalp. Our next ingredient is fenugreek seeds. Like, I'm sure you've heard tons of videos on fenugreek seeds. Like, fenugreek seeds are magical. They are rich in iron and protein, which are good ingredients for hair growth. They also contain unique composition of plant compounds that promote hair growth. Our final ingredient is anise seeds. This also looks like fennel seeds, and both of them are important for the hair. Anise seeds helps significantly in developing new hair, but also if you want to grow hair faster, anise seeds is what you need to use. It also repairs damaged edges and protects from your hair from split ends. I follow up with hot water. You can decide to just boil it or put it in hot water for about 30 minutes, depending on how long you can wait, and then or until the color of the water changes. So I did this and waited for about 20 minutes until the color changed to a bit deeper in color. So you can cover it nicely and leave it in a cool place for it to concentrate, or for it to infuse into the water. Whilst you are done, after your timer is set, you can strain it. You should strain it, and when you strain it, you can leave the residue for another use. Like, you can use it again. That is one of the questions I get most of the time. Can I reuse my herbs? Yes, please, you can use it again. You'll notice that the fenugreek seeds have become bigger than they were before because they have been infused into the water. That's how come their size have increased than they were before. So yes, it's only the water I'll be needing for my hair, and I usually do enough for about a week. So this is what I'm using for the entire week on my hair, and it is going to go a long way, especially now that we are in the dry season, we are in the harmattan. This is a good moisturizer for you. You spray it into your hair, and then you follow up with either hair butter or hair oil of your choice. I always advise that you do enough for like a week, because this goes bad. Like, it can go bad, and you don't want your hair to be smelling bad, else you wouldn't really enjoy the main reason why you want to put herbs into your hair. So here is my herbs, and I just love to use it when it's fresh like this because it's still warm and it's soothing. And when there's heat on your hair, it is able to penetrate faster. That is why I love to use it at this stage. I've already sectioned my hair, and I'm going to section each section. So with this section, I'm going to divide it into 3 sections. And also, when you are doing this, please focus on your scalp, especially if you have any scalp issues. Like, I am developing some dandruff issues, so I'll be focusing on my scalp so that the nutrients in the herbs or the nutrients in the spray is going to really work well in my scalp. When you spray your hair alone and you don't add any hair butter to it, your hair is going to go back to being dry, and you don't want that. Like, you don't really want that. So please, I advise that when you spray your hair, you follow up with an oil or a butter of your choice, like hair growth butter, depending on what you have available. My hair has really grown to like herbs, so if I don't introduce herbs for a while, then my scalp starts feeling funny. Like, I start feeling some pain in my scalp, and anytime I start feeling pain in my scalp, I know what to do. And that is how well you should know your hair. You should study your hair and know what it likes, what it doesn't like, what is lacking, and what to do when you are lacking something, or when you think it is lacking something. So my scalp was feeling funny, and I knew that, okay, I had these herbs available, these powerful herbs available, and using them on my hair would be a good opportunity to heal my scalp at the same time for the harmattan weather, for the dry season, in order not to go into extreme dryness. When I'm done, I follow up with the hair butter, and the hair butter is not so thick, so it is okay to use it on the scalp, and it has no chemicals. Everything is natural, only shea butter and hair growth oil. So I'm able to put a little bit of my hair butter into my scalp directly. If you could see closely, you see how whitish my scalp is looking because of the dandruff that I'm developing. And I'm not really scared because I know that I'll definitely get a solution when I continue using herbs. Like, I'll definitely have a solution. So I'm not really scared about the presence of dandruff in my hair. I just continue with my herbs, and I know that there will be a final solution eventually. I usually twist my hair, but twisting the hair these days, I feel like it doesn't really maintain the moisture that I want because we are in the dry season. So I've gone into braiding the hair. And also, braiding the hair for me stretches the hair more than twisting it. I used to twist my hair all the time, but now I'm going into braiding the hair. And I love the braids because it keeps it firm. Like, the shrinkage when I twist is different from when I braid. Like, braiding now has really kept the moisture in my hair for long. As at now that I'm recording this voiceover, it's like 3 days after I recorded this video, and my hair is still very moist. Like, my hair is still really moist, and I'm happy about this discovery. I'm happy that I decided to braid my hair instead of twisting it. So yeah, this is what I do now that we are in the dry season. I try as much as possible to do it like every 2 or 3 days, so that I am able to stay ahead of dryness. Because if I wait till my hair dries completely, I'm going to really be in trouble. So I try and do it like in every 2 or 3 days. Yeah, and this is a very healthy hair regimen. You don't need to use a lot of combs. Like, you don't really need to. So maybe you wonder what to do if you are in braids. So I have a video of how I spray my hair in braids. Just like the way I'm doing this, if you are in braids, you just spray your hair the same way, but you focus on your scalp because it's a scalp that needs the nutrients. You focus on your scalp. So if you're in braids, if you're in wig, maybe wig is when you have an issue, but if you're in braids, if you're in cornrow, you can still use this product. You can still use this spray on your scalp, and it's going to work magic for your hair. I'll be clogging 2 years natural hair in April, and I'm really excited about it. I'm thinking of a photo shoot. Yes, I can't really hide my excitement. I'm really excited because looking back at doing natural hair for 4 years and doing it now for 2 years, there's a big difference. And the only thing is that I have changed my mentality. I have changed the way of my approach. I have accepted my hair the way it is. I'm not looking, or I'm not envious of anybody's hair texture or anybody's hair type. And that is what has helped me since day one till now. And I've understood the type of hair that I have. Like, I really understood. Though I'm still learning the corners or the tricks of my hair, I can say confidently that now I have understood the type of hair that I have now. I'll be ending here for today. Let me know what you think about this video. Is this something you'd be trying yourself, or have you done it before? How are you moisturizing your hair in this harmattan? Or you think your hair doesn't need moisture? Or maybe you're in braids, so you don't really need this hair moisture that we are all talking about. Yes. So let me know what you think about this video. My name is Lydia once again. Please do well to subscribe if you are new. Till next time. Bye.